Hello friends. Today we discussed about the coding of 1D array. First of all, we read the question first. Write a program in C to merge two add array of the same size stored sorted in descending order. We have a blueprint like this. We are just taking two array A and B with same size 5 5. Okay, and just we taking random value like 10 7 9 8 1 and b 3 5 4 6 2 6 2. Okay, and our final result is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This is in descending order manner. Okay, these are the code of this program. In line number 5 has include studio.h. This line includes the standard input output library which allow you to use functions like printf and scanf for printing output and taking inputs. Okay, line number 6 has defined size 100. This defined a constant size with a value of 100. This will be used as the maximum size of the array A, B and C. Line number 7 void main. As we know that this is the starting point of our program. In line number 9, these three are the array int a size, b size, c. Three array a, b and c are declared each with a maximum size of 100. A and b will store the element of the two input array, and C will store the combined element of both array. Int s1, s2 and s3. Three integer s1, s2 and s3 are declared. S1 will store the size of the first array. S2 will store the size of the second array. S3 will store the total size of the combined array S1 and S2. Okay. Line number 11. I, J, K, T. For integer I, J, K and T are declared for use as loop counter and for swiping element during sorting. Okay. Line number 12. Printf enter the size of the first array /n. These lines say that print a message asking the user to enter the size of the first array. Okay. Line number 13. Scanf %d address of s1. This take input from the user and store it in the variable s1, which is the size of the first array. Okay. In line number 14, for I is equal to 0, I less than s1, I is equal to I plus 1. This say that this loop run s1 times to input element for the first array A. Okay. Printf is enter the number of array for A/n. This line say that print a message asking the user to enter a number for the first array A. Scanf %d address of A index of I. This takes input from the user and stored it in the array A at the index of I. Okay. Line number 19 and 20 is similar to the 12 and 13, but we can explain it. Printf enter the size of the second array. Print a message asking the user to enter the size of the second array. Okay. Line number 20 scanf %d address of s2. These take input from the user and store the variable s2 which in the size of the second array. Okay. Line number 21 is also similar to the line number 14. Okay. For I is equal to 0, I less than s2, I is equal to I plus 1. This loop run s2 times to input elements for the second array B. Okay. Line number 23 and 24 is also similar to the line number 16 and 17. Okay. Line number 26, S3 is equal to S1 plus S2. This lines means that this calculate the total size of the combined array and store it in the S3. S1 and S2 is stored in S3. Okay. In line number 27, for I is equal to 0, I less than S1, I is equal to I plus 1. This loop copy all the element from the first array A into the combined array C. Ci is equal to ai, index I. Okay. Each element from A is assigning to C. Similar, for j is equal to 0, j less than S2, j is equal to j plus 1. This loop copy all the element from the second array B into the combined array C. C index I is equal to B index j, or I is equal to I plus 1. These lines say that the element from B are appended to C and I is incremented accordingly. Line number 26, for I is equal to 0, I less than S3, I is equal to I plus 1. This is the outer loop for sorting the combined array C. Okay. Line number 38, for k is equal to I plus 1, k less than S3, k is equal to k plus 1. This is the inner loop at the compare each element with the subsequent element. Okay. In line number 14, if C index k is greater than C index I, this line said that this check if the element at position k is greater than the element at position I. If true, a swipe occur. This is the swapping techniques. C is equal to C, no, sorry, T is equal to C index I. C index I is equal to C index k. C index k is equal to T. This is the swapping techniques. This line say that this swipe the element C index I and C index k using the temporary variable T. Okay. In line number 49, this loop is used for display purpose. For I is equal to 0, I less than S3, I is equal to I plus 1. This loop print the sorted array C. Okay, printf %d/t C index I. This print each element of the sorted combined array C with a tab space in between. These are the our coding. So our coding will be done. First we build our program. There is no any error happening. Enter the size of the first array. Suppose we are just putting the array size 5. Enter the number array for A. We are just putting the value 10, 7, 9, 8 and 1. Enter the size of second array. Second array is also similar to the first array. Okay, we are just putting the value of 5. Enter the number array for B. We are just putting the value of 3, 5, 4, 6 and 2. This is our result. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is similar to our data. Sorry. This is similar to our result. Check this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is also similar to our output and it is similar to our blueprints. Okay. Thank you, friend.